Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and pay on DHL. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, first of all, access your particular browser in your mobile phone and go to search bar and tap on paying your DHL and simply search it up, and then you will find this first option called paying your DHL invoice or discover DHL. Once you have accessed that, and you're going to find this article. Okay, so first is view the DHL invoice guide. Here first you can study that. Otherwise you do have three options. First is simply is online via DHL my bill, and if you scroll down you do have other two options called buy phone with a credit card that you have. You can simply pay it with your phone pay or that phone information that you have. Otherwise simply you can mail them as well here in this address as well, or they have given the number as well for you to pay, right? Otherwise it's simply for you to that will be easy for you to simply access DHL my bill, right? Go ahead, tap on the start using my bill now, and here you're gonna enter your email address, password. Tap on this email address, password, and if you're new to my bill, simply tap on the sign up to my BL and select your billing country over here and tap on this account number and tap on this continue. That way you will be able to set yourself a DHL my bill, and it will be easy for you to pay for them directly from DHL itself. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.